Yes people, we're back. We've got a good one for you today. Where's all my transporter crew? Because we've got a dirty transporter in. We're going to make this one gleaming. My mate was really happy with the job we did. So stay tuned. Big job ahead. Nice one for watching as well, guys. If it's your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment what country you're watching this from. Or town. Right, so we're going to start off with nitty gritty pre-wash. As you can see on the first clip, the van really does need a pre-wash before we get going on this one. So let's go. So I'm just going to apply the pre-wash all over the car. Side panels, roof, windows, doors, wherever you can spray it. It's nice and safe one by Dual Auto Care. Make sure to check them out. Time to rinse off the first layer of dirt. Let's get this transporter shining. If you're in the transporter crew, comment the model of transporter and year what you've got in the comments. Snow foam time. We're going to go back in with the purple haze from Alien Magic. Did a really good job on the last video with this, so we thought we'd just go again. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one and what snow foam you use. Sorry about my mate's little finger over the camera. He's not used to filming for me, but he did a really good job anyway. So yeah, he does move the finger, don't worry. There he goes. The only little bit I can fault him about was that finger, and the rest is magic. Let me know in the comments what you think about my mate's filming. If it's good or what, don't hold back. That's fucking cool as fuck. Now the snow foam's been applied everywhere, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, drag off all the dirt that's still on there after the pre-wash, just so it's safe to do the contact wash. Even got a little mate here that's interested in the foam. Never seen anything like it, has he? You can already start to see the transformation from dirty to clean, and we've not even hit the contact wash yet. This is why I like this Alien Magic. Even though it's coloured, it still does the job, it's still foamy. So yeah, Alien Magic all the way on the coloured snow foam, guys. Make sure you check them out. Contact wash time. We're going to use Bahama Blue by Jewel Auto Care. One of my favourite products for contact washing at the moment. Shampoo's nice and bubbly. Wait till you see it on the next one. Just bubbling up straight away. My mates give his wheels a bit of neglection, so we're going to get them nice and shiny for him. Before we do the contact wash, we're just going to get the wheels dealt with. Let's go. Here's where my mate stepped up his filming. He pressed the slow-mo button by mistake, but he's made a movie, so I'm going to let him off and I'm going to use the footage. Sit back and enjoy the slow-mo, people. And he's at it again, so I just thought I'm going to roll with it because it looks really cool. This is his first time filming and I think he smashed it. If you agree with me, drop a smashed it in the comments from a mate who filmed it, and he'll be buzzing at home when he's watching it. Now for your favourite part, it's the contact wash time. We're going to use the hand mitt and get into every little bit. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are and you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here and you're a regular, thank you for watching again. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop a little comment. Hope you've enjoyed the show. So yeah, seatbelt on, sit back, enjoy the rest. I know there's a big stigma about brushes, but I can promise you guys, this is a Viking brush, nice and safe. I'm only going to use it for the roof before anyone starts crying in the comments. But yeah, like, I'm only a small guy and I couldn't reach the roof, so having this on board does help a lot. Time to rinse off, start getting a glimpse of what the final product's going to look like. Don't forget to drop a comment where you're watching this video from, and if you've got a transporter, don't forget to drop a comment what model it is. Love to see it. key to dry the car after washing it. You get a few comments asking why you get water stains on your car after washing it. So yeah, this is the reason. Make sure you get all that up. Now we're going to apply the tyre shine. This is an Auto Smart product. Just use a little applicator and bang it on the wheels and they look brand new again. Some people like it, some people don't. What's your opinion on the tyre shine? Do you have it or do you not? And boom, job done. Nice and fresh. You remember how it first come to us. Thank you for watching, people. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next one.